Understanding, with tongue-in-cheek, a fun dive into English idioms. Hello, everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today, we're going to explore a fascinating English phrase that often puzzles learners, with tongue-in-cheek. This idiom is a fantastic example of the colorful and humorous aspects of the English language. Whether you're a beginner or advanced learner, understanding idioms like this one can significantly enrich your language skills. So, let's dive in and uncover the meaning and usage of with tongue-in-cheek. The phrase, with tongue-in-cheek, is used to indicate that something is said or done ironically, humorously, or in jest, without intending it to be taken seriously. It's a way to signal that you're not being entirely serious and maybe playing around with words or concepts. This idiom is particularly useful in situations where the humor or irony might not be immediately obvious, helping to clarify the speaker's intention. Tracing back to the 18th century, the exact origin of with tongue-in-cheek is somewhat unclear. However, it's believed to physically involve placing one's tongue in the cheek to suppress a smile or indicate that one is joking. This physical gesture has evolved into a verbal expression used to convey a similar sense of playfulness or skepticism without the need for the actual gesture. With tongue-in-cheek can be used in various contexts, from casual conversations to written communication. Here are a few examples. In conversation, I told him, with tongue-in-cheek, that I'd become president one day. In writing, the author's description of the event was with tongue-in-cheek, making light of a serious situation. When using this idiom, it's essential to ensure that the context makes it clear you're being humorous or ironic to avoid misunderstandings. This idiom often appears in literature, movies, and everyday speech, showcasing its versatility and enduring popularity. For example, a character in a book might describe an outrageous plan, with tongue-in-cheek, signaling to the reader that the plan is more of a playful thought than a serious intention. That's a wrap on our exploration of with tongue-in-cheek. We hope this video has shed light on this intriguing idiom, making your English learning journey a bit more colorful and enjoyable. Remember, understanding idioms is key to mastering the nuances of English. Keep practicing, and don't hesitate to use with tongue-in-cheek in your conversations to add a dash of humor. Thanks for watching, and see you in our next video.